Good morning, Year 5. So today we are combining all of our knowledge from the past two sessions and we are dividing 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers by 1. Now we should be experts at this because we've broken it down daily into adding a separate number as we move on. So we should be able to absolutely bosh these today. Okay, so as usual, you are going to do our quick reminder tasks. So if you pause the video and try and answer these 4 questions for me using our formal method that we have been practicing throughout the last week. Okay, so pause the video, have a go, and then when I look on your Class Dojo post, I'll be able to see if you've had a go at these questions, okay? Now, we're going to do it a little bit differently today. We're all going to have a go at these questions. So I've got 4 problem cards on the screen, and we're going to have a work through them. We're going to do the first one together, okay? And then you are going to use your skills that we have acquired over these past few days studying this to answer these questions. What I don't want to see is just your working out and no explanation with it, okay? So we're going to use these questions to depict our main information from the questions. Okay, so if we look at the first one, we have got 36 and 9. Now it might not actually be the written number 9, but we know that they need to be in rows of 9 chairs. Okay, so that is my calculation there. I need to do 36 divided by 9. Now some of you might be able to answer that using inverse operation, knowing your times tables, which is brilliant. Others might need to use the method we have used. Okay, so I put both of them down to show you the options that you have. Okay, if you're going to use the inverse, again, it's how many 9s going to 36. So you can use your 9 times tables to work that one out. So if we do that one together, we've got 9, 18, 27, 36. Now I'm holding up 4 fingers, so I am hoping that you guys are holding that up as well. Now, do I just leave it as 4? Yes, I know my answer is 4, and that is correct. But I must know what the 4 means. 4 apples, 4 oranges. No, it's asked me for how many rows. So I must make sure that I write what my answer represents, okay? So that answer represents 4 rows, because at the end it asks us how many, okay? How many rows will there be? Whoop, there we go. How many rows will there be? Okay, just get that pen back. There we go. Now I want you to do 2, 3 and 4 by yourself, okay? I want you to have a go at 2, 3 and 4, setting it out in the bus stop method, or you might be able to answer them with your inverse operation knowledge. But what I should see is written answers, okay? So everybody is to have a go at these questions first. So pause the video and have a go. Now, here I have some worded problems. So you are going to have a go at these questions for me. There are 10 altogether, so I'm going to scroll down nice and slowly so you can see each one. Okay, now they do get progressively harder. They vary from 3 digits by 1 digit, 2 digits by 1 digit, all the way to 4 digits by 1 digit. I've even included a 4-digit one with a decimal point, okay? And I hope some of us have a go at that one as well. I've put the reminder at the top to make sure you use your full sentence answers when you show your working and your explanation. Okay, so if you pause the video, then you can see where your key information is. All right, so if I show you on the first one, I've got 112 and 8. It's asking me how many chairs will each of the 8 classrooms have. Okay, so we know that we're doing 8. How many 8s go into 112? Have a go at breaking these word problems down. It's the most important thing to highlight the key information. I know you can't do that. Normally we'd have the sheet when we do it in class and we highlight that information. But you can jot down the key information on your sheet so you know what the calculation is that you are going to be doing. Okay? Good luck. And if you're feeling like you have understood those word problems today and would like a little more of a challenge, I've attached some of our deeper dive questions that we complete in school, the little submarine ones, if you can remember those, okay? So I want you to have a go at them in order. This one is helping out the chef, okay? Finding out how much flour, milk, sugar and cream he needs. This one, you are explaining Fernando's error. He may have completed an error in his calculation. Can you correct that and explain for me using our stem sentences? And this one, Gordon has spilt milk all over his calculations, and you need to try and work out if you can make a calculation that makes sense with the numbers that we can just about see from his spillage. So you can only use these cards here. If you have a go at these questions, I'll be really super duper impressed. Okay, good luck.